Hey, what's up guys, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Bringing you something a little different today. I teamed up with Rev Auto here in Walnut, California. Auto detailing company. Because as you know, I love going fast, but I also love looking pretty clean too. So this should help me do that, right? So let me show you exactly what I got in here. Kind of an unboxing, not kind of, it is. And let's see what we got in here, man. Come on, dude. Scumbag. Alright guys, so the first thing we got in here, obviously your order, little whatever. See, it's pretty. Oh yeah, I forgot I got these guys. Look at this. Some cool little Rev Auto Air Fresheners. They smell pretty good. Yep, the little air fresheners. And then I got in here a little t-shirt. I do love t-shirts, to be quite honest with you. So that's pretty cool. The little Rev Auto. Maybe I have to wear that. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Oh, banner, man. That's actually pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys that a little later. What I wanted to get into real quick is I wanted to get down into the biggest reason why I wanted to get into like auto cleaning, because as you know, I install tire letters, these here, and customers always ask me, well, how do you clean them? How do you maintain them? Everybody wants to put tire dressing on it. So I noticed that these guys offer a water-based tire dressing, and which when I get to it, I'm gonna let you guys know what it is. But this one here is the Mean Clean. It's even, look, eco-friendly for everybody who wants to protect the environment, you know. This breaks down all the dirt, so I'm gonna try this on these letters soon, that way to see if it works, right? I have here a quick everyday detailer. This is one of my favorite things to use because, you know, you take it to the track and you can't always keep it that clean, but you can at least kind of detail it real quick and make it shine a little bit. So this is a good one. This is the Hydro Wash detailer here, and then this one's called the Mean Clean cleaner. And then this is a rubber clean. It's called Rubber Cleaner. So this one right here is the main one I was talking about. I'm curious to see how it does cleaning these tire letters, which is the biggest reason why I'm making this unboxing, right? And it comes with all your nozzles you need, right? With all your nozzles. This one here is for the cleaner, the rubber cleaner. Clean that up, right? Let's see what else I got here. Fabric and upholstery cleaner. I definitely need this, especially because I'm not the cleanest person and I drop a lot of stuff on the upholstery, so I use that especially in my wife's car. And we have a little dog that messes everything up, so this one should be good. This is called the Renew Fabric and Upholstery Cleaner. This one here is the main one. But before I get into that one, the Revive Perfect 2-in-1 Interior Cleaner. So these go together. Renew, Upholstery, Scumbag. All right, and the main one right here, man. The Uber Shine. This is the one I'm hoping is what I'm thinking it does. Everyone always asks me for these tire letters. Can you put tire shine? And you can't, because they're oil based and it starts discoloring them, and mainly it starts kind of eating away at them. So I always just say you can't. But now that I found this water-based tire dressing, that it says that won't ruin your paint. Perfect for tires, vinyl, rubber, and plastics. So let's see. So this is exactly what I'm going to be getting into today. It even has a plier that they sent me, which is right here. So let me get these nozzles on the ones I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you right now if it works. All right, guys, I got it all set up to go. So first, the rubber cleaner. So I got it all ready to rock. So let's go ahead and spray these. You're supposed to spray it there. Let's kind of get that one going too. Spray that there. This is meant to clean it. Okay, so I can see all the dirt coming off. So I'm thinking you're gonna have to hit it with that. Get yourself a rag here and clean it up. Wow, look at that, guys. That is actually pretty impressive. And I should have zoomed in closer to show you how dirty the letters were. But that's pretty impressive. Because I'm looking at it right now, and I'm seeing all kinds of gunk on this thing. Clean that up, look at that. Yeah, that's really not that bad, to be quite honest. I didn't anticipate it cleaning it that well, man. Wow. This rubber cleaner, go in there. Let me just might as well get into the whole tire here. Let me get that cleaned up. This is actually pretty good, man. Good clean part of it. Wow. Okay. So that's clean. Look at that. All this oil and residue got onto literally this wrench here. And that's pretty good. Guys, real quick. Pretty clean, man. That's some good stuff. So that right there was the rubber cleaner. There's a little tool they got here. That way you can get in there. And I would advise using a microfiber rag there to kind of get the rest of the dirt. So now the big one, the tire dressing. This is the one that people want to see. So I'm thinking, all right, got this thing open. Spray that on there. Let's see what it does. Water base. Let's get it up in here. Get it on the tire letter. It's pretty good, guys. Look at that. Tire. Look at that. Nice and shiny. That's pretty good, man. Let me actually try it on the Mustang. Well, guys, I think I just found a way to clean and shine up these tire letters. Rubber cleaner and the Uber shine. I just cleaned up this Mustang tire and it looks real good, man. Nice and shiny. Letters clean. Hey, pretty good to me. Guys, real quick to wrap it up, don't forget to use code DSP for Diablito Speeds Performance. If you check out with Rev Auto and interested in some product, that should get you a 15% discount on that. So other than that, man, you guys have a great day.